Hello students, how are you all? So today we will discuss about the fourth part of this chapter, length. So till now we have discussed all these longer, shorter, taller, shorter. Okay students, tallest, shortest, thinnest, thickest, nearer, further. Okay students, so we have also discussed about the increasing order of the length and decreasing order of the length. So now we will discuss about the comparing the length. So now in this we will be comparing the length of these objects with each other. So here is the, as you can see, here is the picture. So now we will do the exercise first. So observe the picture, above picture, and fill in the blanks. So ye pura students you have to fill it. So the first one is A is the longest. So which is the longest? Let's see in the picture. So there is a picture, all these things. So belt is the longest one. So we will be writing down belt over here. Okay students, so this is how we have to write it down. Then B is the dash is the shortest. So students, let's see. Yes, there is a nail over here is the shortest one. So we will be writing here nail. Okay students, and dash are longer than the knife. So we have to find out the objects which are longer than the knife. So let's see. So there is a tie, belt and hockey which are longer than the knife. So let's see. To write it down here, there is a tie, there is a belt and hockey. Okay students, so this is how we have to do it. So now students, we have to find out the D1, that is our dash are the shorter than the toothbrush. So students, we have to find out the objects which are shorter than the toothbrush. So here we can see the toothbrush here, and we have to find out the shortest one than the toothbrush. So there is a key, there is a spoon, there is a pencil and there is a nail. These are the things which are shorter than the toothbrush. So we will be writing here like this. Key, spoon, then pencil, and last one is nail. Okay students, so this is how we have to write down. So students, I am leaving the E and F, E1, so please do it by your own. So here is another one. I'll do the first one, and rest of the one you'll be doing at your home. So once again, arrange knife, hockey stick, tie and key in increasing order of the length. So we have to write it down in the increasing length. So first we have to write down the smallest one, and then we have to increase the length accordingly. Okay students, so first is the key. Key is the smallest one. Okay students, then we have to write it down the knife. Okay students, then we will have the tie. And then there is a hockey stick. So we have to write down the hockey stick. Okay students, so this is how we have to do it. So let's do the another one. Arrange belt, toothbrush, nail, pencil in decreasing order. So now we have to write it down in a decreasing order, like whichever is the smallest one, we have to write it down in the last. So let's start with it. So the first one is the belt. Okay, students. So the next one is the toothbrush. And the next one is pencil. And the last one is nail. Okay, students, so this is how you have to do it. Let's see the another one. If spoon, knife and toothbrush are kept in increasing order of length, then dash will be at the center. So what will become in the center? That is toothbrush. So toothbrush will come in the center. Okay, students. So this is how. Now we will study about the measuring length with non-standard units. So students, in the early days of our life, when we don't have the measurement tape or scales, so we use our human body. So from this, how we use our human body to measure anything. Likewise, we can see here there is a handspan, cubit, foot and pace. So from this part of of our human body, we used to measure things. Okay, so they are non-standard because every human body has a different kind of shape and size. So they are not the equal size, but we can somehow roughly can measure things like there is some kind of measurement that comes out. But what are the measurements? I think we will do with the exercises, and then we will understand better how we have been doing the measurement of the length. So like this, fill in the blanks. The table is dash hand span long. So we have to count it 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have to write it down 4. And there is a carpet. So students, there is a carpet dash pace long. So how many long paces? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will be writing 4 here. Okay. So likewise, there is a window. The window is dash cubit long. So we have to count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, students. That is 5 cubit. So we have to write it down here. And then there is a bat. So how many pencils? It is being measured through the pencil. So how many pencil? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to write it down 7 over here. And then we have another one. Then there is a pole. The pole is dash pace from the tree. So there is a pole we can see here. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, students. So that means 6 pace. So we have to write it down here. Then there is a rope. So in this we have been using the cubit. So that means when we will count it, that is come to 6. Okay, students. So this is how we have to do it. Okay, then there is a worksheet then, and in this till